Well, that's pretty much a wrap for the Atlas gearbox. Got it back together again, and it's so fiddly with one hand here. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard to hard to handle this with one hand. I don't want to drop it. So I haven't flared and swaged that out. The gears on there really, really tight right now. I got it heated up with propane, and I had to make an anvil so that the gear would drive on the shaft, because there's no good way of getting that on. So I utilized the hole back here to help me drive that gear on. And now we're gonna slather it in grease and give her a go. So I think this is pretty much a wrap on this one. So we'll have to transplant it back to its original and see how it goes. All right.